I'm Will, the author of the 1 Minute Bartender, mixing up drinks in just a minute. Today, how to make a Colorado Bulldog. You're going to use your mixing tin, fill it with 2/3 full of ice, and add an ounce of vodka. We're doing the Stolichnaya Vodka. Add an ounce of coffee liqueur. We're going to use the Kahlua Coffee Liqueur today. And then 2 ounces of fresh cream. Go ahead and mix that up. Shake it up. Shake it up real good, and then strain it right into a tall glass filled with ice. And then you're going to top it off, fill it all the way to the top with Coca Cola. That right there is the Colorado Bulldog.